Camrese, no 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name drug forms. Generic name, Levonorgestrel plus ethinyl estradiol, extended cycle oral contraceptive. Drug class, combined hormonal contraceptive, CHC, estrogen progestin oral contraceptive. Brand name, Camrese, Camrese low, lower dose estrogen formulation. Drug forms, oral tablets, 91-day extended cycle blister pack. 84 active tablets, levonorgestrel plus ethinyl estradiol. 7 tablets containing low-dose ethinyl estradiol. Number 2. Definition. Camrese is an extended cycle combined oral contraceptive containing levonorgestrel and ethinyl estradiol. It is designed to prevent pregnancy while reducing menstrual periods to approximately 4 times per year. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Camrese prevents pregnancy by suppressing ovulation, inhibiting pituitary secretion of FSH and LH, thickening cervical mucus to prevent sperm penetration, altering the endometrium to reduce implantation likelihood, slowing tubal motility. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed after oral administration. Bioavailability, ethinyl estradiol approximately 40 to 50%, levonorgestrel, nearly complete absorption. Protein binding, levonorgestrel, 97 to 99%, ethinyl estradiol, approximately 95%. Metabolism, primarily hepatic, CYP3A4 enzyme involvement. Half-life, levonorgestrel, approximately 24 to 36 hours, ethinyl estradiol, approximately 13-27 hours. Elimination, urine, feces. Number 5. Uses, prevention of pregnancy, extended cycle contraception, reduction in menstrual frequency, decreased menstrual cramps, reduced menstrual blood loss, improved menstrual convenience. Number 6. Indications. Camrese is indicated for women seeking oral contraception, women preferring fewer menstrual periods, long-term reversible birth control, menstrual cycle management. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use in patients with pregnancy, breast cancer, estrogen-dependent tumors, active liver disease, severe liver tumors, history of DVT, pulmonary embolism, stroke, myocardial infarction, uncontrolled hypertension, migraine with aura, women over 35 years who smoke heavily, known thrombophilia, unexplained vaginal bleeding. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your healthcare provider if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, kidney disease, gallbladder disease, heart disease, depression, migraine headaches, obesity, smoking history, lupus, family history of blood clots. Use caution during breastfeeding, recent childbirth, major surgery, long-term immobilization. Number 9. How to use. Take 1 tablet daily. Take at the same time every day. Follow tablet order exactly. Do not skip tablets. Use backup contraception for the first 7 days if starting outside the recommended schedule. Swallow with water. Continue even if light spotting occurs. Number 10. Dosing information. Standard regimen, 91-day pack. Days 1 to 84. Levonorgestrel 0.15 milligrams plus ethinyl estradiol 0.3 milligrams once daily. Days 85 to 91. Ethinyl estradiol 0.1 milligrams once daily. 1 withdrawal bleed generally occurs every 3 months. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. 1 active tablet missed. Take as soon as remembered. Take the next tablet at the regular time. No backup is usually required. 2 or more active tablets missed. Follow the package instructions. Use backup contraception for at least 7 days. Emergency contraception may be needed depending on timing. Missed estrogen-only tablets. Discard missed tablet. Continue scheduled dosing. Overdose symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, vaginal bleeding, breast tenderness. Treatment, supportive care, contact a poison center or healthcare provider if overdose is suspected. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop Camrese immediately if you develop chest pain, shortness of breath, sudden vision loss, stroke symptoms, severe headache with neurological symptoms, severe hypertension, blood clot, liver disease, pregnancy, jaundice. Avoid smoking while taking Camrese, especially if older than 35 years. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects: nausea, headache, breast tenderness, spotting, breakthrough bleeding, mood changes, weight changes, acne, decreased libido. Serious side effects: deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, stroke, heart attack, liver problems, gallbladder disease, severe allergic reaction, high blood pressure, vision changes. Seek emergency medical care if serious symptoms occur. Number 14. Vital information. Does not protect against HIV or other sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Take it the same time every day for best effectiveness. Smoking greatly increases cardiovascular risk. Backup contraception may be required when starting or after missed pills. Irregular bleeding is common during the first few cycles. Inform all healthcare providers that you are taking hormonal contraception. Effectiveness decreases with poor adherence. Number 15. Other drugs will affect Camrese. Drugs that may reduce effectiveness include rifampin, rifabutin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, topiramate, oxcarbazepine, St. John's wort, some HIV medications, some hepatitis C medications, modafinil. Camrese may affect lamotrigine, cyclosporin, corticosteroids, theophylline. Always inform your healthcare provider about all prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, and herbal supplements. Number 16. Drug comparison. Camrese versus Camrese Low. Camrese, higher estrogen dose in active tablets. Camrese Low, lower estrogen dose, which may reduce estrogen-related side effects in some women. Camrese versus traditional 28-day birth control pills. Camrese, 4 withdrawal bleeds per year, 91-day cycle, fewer menstrual periods, improved convenience for many users. Traditional pills, monthly withdrawal bleeding, 28-day cycle, more frequent menstruation, similar contraceptive effectiveness with correct use. Number 17, patient teaching. Take 1 tablet at the same time every day. Never skip doses. Use backup contraception if pills are missed as instructed. Do not smoke while using combined hormonal contraceptives. Understand that Camrese does not prevent sexually transmitted infections. Use condoms if STI protection is needed. Report severe headache, chest pain, leg swelling, shortness of breath, vision changes, or jaundice immediately. Keep regular follow-up appointments. Monitor blood pressure periodically. Inform healthcare providers before surgery or prolonged bed rest. Store tablets at room temperature away from moisture and heat. Keep out of reach of children. Thank you. Have a nice day.